Where is he? Where is he? Yeah, where is he?
See?
Where is he? I hear you, I don't know where you're at. I hear you.
Come on!
I hear you, I don't know where you're at. Still.
See? You can move it.
I hear you, I can't see you. Yeah, I hear you.
Unless it's claustrophobic. See? Look, look.
I got him, bro.
You're very fast. Remind me of a turtle in a shell. See if you do that, you ain't got to worry about it getting underneath anything.
I hear you, I can't see you.
You get pissed in a minute flipping off there. Did you get out?
Moving box.
It was pretty fast, yeah, that's what we'll have to do. Don't tell Gabriel we got it. Watch Gabriel watch that box food.
I said I got it.
Watch. See, make it move and make noise.
Going the wrong way, Puss in Boots.
You are nasty.
Still cinema.
You suck.
I got him,
It
Phil.
was figuring it out. It was running along, and as it ran along the edge of your mushroom, it'd lift up, and he tried to stick his head out. But
Yeah, where you at?
trying to run the box, but it won't move.
Yeah, figure it the other way.
Gotta push it all the way, baby.
See, it's still at this end. Now he went down here. See? He figured it out.
I'm trying to get it push it all the way, baby. Still a long way, dude.
It's weird to watch a box move along the floor like.
You hit my couch, dude. What are you gonna do? Yeah, what are you gonna do, buddy?
Take the lid off now.